In a small village, there lived a man named Raju. Raju's family was very simple. They had a small house, and he worked day and night to earn a living. Although Raju lived a modest life, his heart was big. He was always ready to help others. Everyone in the village appreciated his honesty and kindness. Raju had a habit of helping anyone in need. While working in the fields, if a hungry dog came by, he would feed it from his tiffin without a second thought. If a traveler was hungry, he would even give away his own food. His wife, Sunita, was often upset by this. She would say, "Because of your generosity, our kitchen is always empty. You should think about yourself too." But Raju would smile and reply, "A hungry stomach is the worst enemy. If we can help someone, why shouldn't we? God sees everything." One afternoon, while Raju was resting at home, an old saint called out from the door. His voice was weak, as if he was very tired and hungry. Sunita heard him, peeked through the window and muttered, "Now he's here too. Looks like the kitchen will be empty again." Raju ignored her words and walked toward the door. When he opened it, he saw the saint, thin, tired, his clothes dirty, and his face covered in sweat. Raju immediately invited him in. "Please sit here. I'll bring you some water." He went inside, brought a lot of water, and offered it to the saint. The old man drank it slowly and let out a sigh of relief. A sense of peace appeared on his face. The saint said, "Son, I haven't eaten in 2 days. If you could offer some food, I'd be truly grateful." Raju ran to the kitchen, but when he looked, he saw there were only 2 breads left, meant for his own lunch. Still, without a second thought, he picked up the breads and started walking back. Sunita stopped him. She said angrily, "What are you doing?" "These breads are for you. If you give these away, what will you eat? That saint can ask at someone else's house. But where will we go to beg?" Raju listened carefully, then said softly, "A hungry stomach doesn't wait. This man hasn't eaten in 2 days. If we don't feed him, what will happen to him? God will make arrangements for us." Sunita's voice was loud, and the saint heard everything. But he remained seated, waiting quietly. Raju ignored her anger, walked to the saint, and placed the breads in front of him. "Please eat this." The saint said nothing. He was so hungry that he ate silently. Then he drank water and sat in peace. After some time, when the saint stood up to leave, he called Raju to him. From his bag, he took out a shining golden bowl and handed it to Raju. Raju was surprised. "I can't take this. This belongs to you." The saint smiled and said, "Son, keep it. Last week, a king gave me this bowl as alms, but I have no use for it. I was searching for someone worthy of it, and today I found you." He continued, "This is the result of your good deeds. Always remember, karma is true dharma. You helped without expecting anything in return. Keep doing good deeds. God always rewards us when the time is right. Your kindness and selfless actions will bring peace and happiness not only to you, but also to your family. Keep this bowl with you and use it wisely. But don't let it change your goodness. This bowl is just a symbol, reminder that God appreciates good deeds." Saying this, the saint walked away. Raju stood there holding the bowl, watching him go, tears of joy in his eyes. He promised himself, no matter the situation, he would always help others. This story teaches us karma never fails. When you help others selflessly, your actions never go unnoticed. Even when no one is watching, the universe keeps count and rewards you when the time is right.